Motorola's upcoming Moto G6 Play has been spotted passing through Taiwanese telecom regulator MCC. The Chicago-based company's device is expected to launch alongside the Moto G6 and G6 Plus, and after a number of recent leaks regarding the lineup that included our exclusive Moto G6 Plus images, the Moto G6 Play is next in line. Thanks to a number of live images posted by the Taiwanese regulator, the final design look of the device appears to have been confirmed. The front panel is clearly dominated by a new 18:9 display, whereas the backplate features Motorola's branding, although the well-known Batwing logo is also featured in the right corner. In terms of the top bezel, the loudspeaker is placed in the center, while on the left is the front-facing camera, and an LED flash can be spotted to the right. Moving on to the rear panel, the company's new design language can be fully appreciated, showing off a glossy glass build in deep blue that is largely dominated by a large camera module. Inside this module is a single sensor which is rumored to boast a 16-megapixel resolution, and an LED flash. Directly below the circular camera module is the M logo, which appears to be embedded in the case and should also double as a fingerprint reader. The aluminum frame of the device is home to a 3.5mm headphone jack on the top of the device, while down below a micro USB port appears to be present, instead of the newer USB Type-C connector. Furthermore, on the right side of the device, a volume rocker and power button can also be seen. The Moto G6 Play is rumored to sport a large 5.7-inch display featuring a resolution of 1440 x 720 pixels. In addition, powering everything is set to be Qualcomm's octa-core Snapdragon 430 coupled with either 3GB or 4GB of RAM and 32GB or 64GB of internal storage. In the camera department, the front-facing sensor is expected to boast the same 16-megapixel resolution as the rear lens, while keeping the lights on will be a large 4,000 mAh battery. On a final note, as with all of Motorola's releases, the new Moto G6 Play will ship with near-stock Android 8.0 ARIA, meaning support for Google's Project Treble will also be included. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give a thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe.